Hey you guys, it's me, Team Treat here. Um, sorry for the background. But today is we're gonna every Wednesday we're gonna do a brief look at all my antique clocks. So today we're gonna start with this one. This is my Ingraham black mantel clock from 1888. It's very beautiful with all the details on it and all that, and a beautiful dial, brass, almost like brass dial or something like that. It still works, still pretty good. It's from 1888, which I told you about that. And today, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. And it's from the, yeah. So this clock used to be my dad's. He gave it to me. It's a gift. And still, it's a pretty nice shape and still works. And the movement's still doing its own thing. And this is what it has a most beautiful deep gong chime from 1888. And this is what the chime sounds like. That's the chime. Yeah. It is already like 9:30, so 9:39 or 9:37 my time. So I think I need to get some winding. So I'll show you guys what to wind like. Here, I'll pause the video so I will get the key for it. Okay, I'm back. This is the key for the clock. It's a very nice basic key. It's about 6-inch key. You see right there, double the size 6 key, so you can actually fit it in the clock. And this is what it feels like to wind it. Just you put it in. I'm gonna show, and also I'm gonna show you guys how to wind the clock. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry you guys hear that in the background. I don't know if that means the clock is broken, or probably the music springs a little bit. It's getting tighter. What time? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. About 19 ones for the time zone. Now I'm gonna show you how to wind the circus. Yes. So how to wind up so do not ever overwind your clock. It is very bad. The springs will burst out and you're not gonna have a working clock anymore. So be gentle with it to wind it. Wind it slow so the springs will do its own thing to get it tighter. So yeah. Now to the chime side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. About 23 lines. Yeah. Well, so that will be all, and give a like on this video, subscribe my channel to content, like, obviously, and leave a comment if you want to ask questions about this clock. So, I'll see you guys later, so see me later, and I will show you another clock video. I will show you another clocks in my collection, and the video next Monday, or I mean next Wednesday, because you know I'm doing a speech on Monday, and then I'll see you guys on Friday for a music video. Well, you know I'm not gonna sing it, so probably I'm not gonna be in the video, but my record's gonna be in the video as well, one of my record collections. So yeah. So I'll see you guys later, and you have a great happy Tuesday. So see you guys later. Bye bye.